So this is a May update. We came to a stop last year, mainly because I rebuilt the kitchen instead in our house, so the Caravan got put on the back burner. But this year has got to be the year, preferably in August. So last weekend I jacked it up so that I can take the wheels off and the hubs to get new brake shoes, new bearings. At some point I'll get new tyres once I know we're going to use it. There's no point in getting it prior to that. Still need to go over the outside. I've had to fill a couple more bits, so I need to sand it and then give it one quick lick of the yellow. But it is still got stuff from the kitchen from last year and other things from my work, because I'm now self-employed. I've got made redundant again, so I'm now working for myself and I've got no time to do anything. So the kitchen, as if you just watched the video I've put up prior to this, which I didn't realise I didn't put up, this is as the kitchen is now. For some reason it has expanded, and I don't know if during the winter there's been a small leak because there's some watermarks, or whether it's just where stuff's been on the timber. So I still need to get sticky tiles for that. The copper tap has got a bit of rust on it for some reason, so at some point I might paint this space. You can always tart copper up by just giving it a slight buff. eBay storage, you all know about the bunk beds, and then more kitchen rubbish that still needs to go in. But the inside is more or less done paint wise. I've got a couple of the stays to put on. Bathroom won't be done anytime soon because of all the cables. Probably won't get put in this year, and if they were, it wouldn't be connected anyway. The only thing left inside is to put the vent covers on, which I've already made and painted last year. 2 of the stays in there, connect the electrics up under there, sort the kitchen back out, but again probably won't be used. I might try and get the 240 volt on so that I can hook up at a site and get the fridge done, so at least we've got something to keep stuff cool. And then I have no gas anyway, and it would just be cooking from the 240 or barbecue or something. But apart from that, I'm happy to just concentrate on the outside this year. Obviously still got little things, sanding to do, still haven't put the door lock on. And it's just a case of giving it a good wash down. Masking tape I never took off, but the seals across these top bits are cracked a little bit, so I'm going to have to reseal them. And then you've got some resin from a kitchen roof I've dripped all over it, that needs to come off. But apart from that, it's mainly get the wheels done, try and paint the undercarriage, one coat of paint on the outside. I've already got all the trims, the vinyl plastic stuff to pop in the trims. And then just sort out the hitch. So it's mainly external work. The roof should be fine, just needs a clean, and then reseal the top edge of that just to stop the water getting in, because it's a bit, I don't know why, well, I sealed it again, but I might use, it's a thing called CT1, which I might use across the roof, just for my brain to be happy with it. One coat of paint, sort the wheels out, hitch, usable in my eyes, and get the electrics on the back and front. And then if I've got time I'll start doing the inside. I just need to order the mattresses, which I'm going to be using foam, which I'll cut down. So yeah, stay tuned for some videos.